In your tie-dye kit, you will find paper cups. Fill those cups up with a little bit of water, about 2/3 of the way up. Warm water will help the dye dissolve. Cut a corner off of your dye packet, and then squeeze the contents of the packet into the cup. Using a popsicle stick from the kit, stir until dissolved. The dye may need to rehydrate, so if it isn't dissolving into the water right away, let it just sit and rehydrate a little bit. Stir the dye until it is completely dissolved. And now do the same with your other dye packets.
Click on the video below. In the next video, I'll show you how to tie-dye your mask.